Welcome. If you want to share your favorite Telegram sticker set with friends or use it on other platforms, you'll need the direct link to your sticker pack. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to easily copy your sticker set link on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head into any chat. This can be a conversation with a friend, a group, or even your saved messages. Once you're in a chat, look for the emoji icon, usually found near the message input field. Tap on this emoji icon to bring up your stickers and emoji panel. Now, you'll see your available sticker sets displayed at the bottom. Find the sticker set you want to share. Tap on the sticker set's photo or icon. This will open up more details about the set, including all the stickers inside. Once you're viewing your sticker set, look for the Edit option and tap on it. This will take you to the sticker set's management screen, where you can make changes or view more options. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. This is the menu for additional actions. Tap on the 3 dots to open the menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Copy Link. Tap on Copy Link, and just like that, the link to your sticker set is now copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere you want. Send it to friends, share it in groups, or use it to transfer your stickers to another app. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can quickly copy your Telegram sticker set link and share your favorite stickers with anyone, anywhere. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Telegram. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.